It's time for our unique food for thought session over lunch. And interestingly, our expert leading the session has a lot to do with lunch. In fact, even as we speak, tens of thousands of Mumbaikars are eating their lunch across this city thanks to him. A well-known management guru, he is involved in conducting research and contributing to the design and delivery of courses for the entire educational fraternity. He has received several awards for his work as a teacher, including the Utkrisht Shikshak Samman from the Mumbai National Congress in 2010 and the Rajiv Gandhi Puraskar in 2007. He works on an honorary basis to make presentations in English on behalf of his 5,000-strong group. He has been invited even overseas by organizations such as British Telecommunications and Global Services in London and Young Presidents Organization YPO members in Kenya. Well, let's take a look at who and what I'm talking about.
A very important part of life in Mumbai. They are the ones who make sure that nearly 200,000 people get their lunch in time at their offices or schools every day from home. Their operations are so efficient that world personalities like Prince Charles and Richard Branson have visited them. They have been invited for lectures at business schools. They are even said to be Six Sigma compliant. Now, what is a dabba? A dabba is simply a tiffin box carrying home-cooked food, which is to be delivered from the home to a person in an office or a school. And the dabbawala is a person who picks up the food from the home and ensures that it is delivered to the right office to the right person on time.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रघुनाथ धोंडेवा मेदगे हूँ। मैं डब्बावाला एसोसिएशन का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। हमारी डब्बा का सर्विस 18 से 90 से शुरू है। हमारे टोटल 5,000 मेंबर्स बम्बई में कार्यरत है।
It all may sound fairly simple, but imagine doing this in one of the most densely populated cities in the world. The dabbawalas have high rates of accuracy and their error rates are shockingly 1 in a million only. And what is even more impressive, that all the dabbawalas are fairly illiterate and have no use of any technology. The only motorized transport used is the Mumbai local trains. Other than that, they make use of hand-drawn carts and bicycles.
मेरी ग्रुप की साइकिल है, अंधेरी स्टेशन में छोड़ के जाता हूँ, तो मैं दूसरे ग्रुप की साइकिल डिलीवरी के पॉइंट पे यूज करता हूँ और मेरी साइकिल वो लोग यूज करते हैं.
The dabbas or the lunch boxes have a color coding scheme which makes sure that they get to the right destination. The structure of this organization is fairly flat. It has just 3 levels. First, the governing body. Second, the team leads or the supervisors. And third, the dabbawalas. And everyone is an equal shareholder in this organization. There are no bosses and the earnings are equally divided.
हर एक बंदा का काम टीम के लिए करना है. अगर एक बंदा कम काम करेगा तो पूरी टीम की इनकम सोर्स लो हो जाती है.
All the dabbawalas come from the same Warkari sect, and whenever any replacement is required, villages that have this Warkari sect are approached for suitable candidates. To join this organization as a dabbawala, the dabbawalas have to bring a few things: a long wooden crate, 2 bicycles, and ₹20 for a Gandhi cap that they wear. And how much do you think would it cost to avail of this very efficient dabba service? Less than $10 a month. While the operations are fairly simple, the dabbawalas are now beginning to work with newer technologies. You can SMS them or you can also log on to their site mydabbawala.com to avail of their services.
अभी लंदन में भी प्रिंस चार्ल्स की शादी में जाकर आया हूँ. इटली में 2 बार जाने का मौका हमें मिला है. और मैगजीन ने भी हमारी रिसर्च की थी. बीबीसी ने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री वहाँ बना के दी थी. हमारे ऊपर देखते हैं कि इनको क्यों ना 6 सिग्मा देना चाहिए. हमें तो पता ही नहीं 6 सिग्मा क्या है.
And given their reach in Mumbai, Microsoft has also partnered with the dabbawalas. The dabbawalas distributed leaflets and wore Microsoft branded clothes to spread awareness of genuine Windows softwares to their customers.
5,000 बम्बई के डब्बे वाले 4 लाख टिफिन का ट्रांजैक्शन पर डे लोकल ट्रेन से, साइकिल से और मैन पावर की वजह से कर रहे हैं.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you get ready to enjoy your lunch dabba, let's listen to the extraordinary global case study of Mumbai Dabbawalas. Please welcome management and motivational guru, Dr. Pawan Agarwal. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Good afternoon, you all. Thank you, Motilal Oswal and all the participants of Global Investor Conference. Friends, as far as today's session is concerned, and I speak on Mumbai Dabbawala, the great supply chain, the master of supply chain, we can call really the great management guru, no doubt. I'm not going to speak on Paperwala because of time constraint. I'm going to speak only on Mumbai Dabbawala. Friends, before I start, let me show you what exactly Mumbai Dabbawalas are doing in Mumbai. Many people believe that Mumbai Dabbawala means they are catering foods. Friend, they are not caterers. The food is cooked at home. What Mumbai Dabbawala is doing? Food is cooked at home. Tiffin is yours. The tiffin is like this. 2 containers. This is inside container. And this is outside container. Food is cooked at home. Food, tiffin is yours. Mumbai Dabbawala will collect this tiffin in the morning from your home and they will deliver in the afternoon before lunchtime in your office. After lunch is over, they will collect empty tiffin same day in the afternoon and they will deliver in the evening at your home. It means they deliver 2 deliveries in a day. That's it. Friends, that's a great story. In simply, I can tell you, these are the 2 delivery boys who deliver Mumbai Dabbawalas in Mumbai last 123 years. Can you imagine, friends? Just imagine. Last 123 years they are doing in Mumbai. Now I know you must be surprising. Man, what is great to deliver 2 deliveries in Mumbai? And why I want to deliver this session to you all. Friends, I know this is about the supply chain. Dabbawalas of Mumbai. Friends, my presentation is what? I know your today's maybe day may be different. You are different speakers. Friend, my speech of today is very different. I know it's a motivation. My topic is what? If these people are poor, if these people are not qualified, totally illiterate, if these people are working in adverse situation in Mumbai, and despite that, they are worldwide recognized, why we could not do the best? Because we are qualified people. We are getting good package. We have a lot of amenities, facilities. Friend, we can do much better than Mumbai Dabbawalas because they can do the best. In time management, in many, many things. I know, as far as corporate people are concerned. Sir, a couple of months back, I got one mail from one company. Dr. Pawan, we want to invite you, but what are the takeaways from your session? Believe me, friends, that time I was not understood. I simply mail in reply, sir, I don't know what are the takeaways. I will give away whatever you want to take away, take away. I don't know the takeaways. But then some people told me, man, you cannot say like this. These are the takeaways. Believe me, friends, from today 45 minutes, you will see passion, commitment, consistency, 100% execution, accuracy, dedication, time management, and complete customer satisfaction. 100% satisfaction, Dabbawala customers having, friends. Believe me, 100%. And how it is, simple concepts, simple principles, work is worship. Friends, वो बोलते हैं ना, sometimes I can use some Hindi words, will do. Friend, बोलते हैं ना वो, इनके रगों में कूट कूट के भरा है, काम ही ईश्वर है, काम ही पूजा है. Believe me, friends. Number 2, customer is God. भगवान मानते हैं सर customer को. आपको end of the session मानना होगा. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. They believe customer is God because everybody is working for customer. But you must think of it whether my customer is satisfied or not. Sir, their customer is satisfied. I'll show some examples. Live example I'll show you. No alternative to hard work and of course human values. Friends, how? If you see the history of Dabbawalas, started in 1890. 123-year-old organization. Sir, one Mr. Parsian, he asked simply one Mr. Mahadu, Mr. Mahadu, can you bring my tiffin? In 1890. Mr. Mahadu replied, okay, I will bring your tiffin. Friends, in 1890, one Dabbawala, one customer. Today we'll see 5,000 Dabbawalas and 200,000 customers are there in Mumbai. It means 5,000 people are delivering 200,000 tiffin every day. It means one man carrying approximately 40 tiffin. Friends, 40 tiffin with food comes to 65-70 kg weight. Can you imagine? 65-70 kg weight they are carrying in the morning. I know people must be thinking, why Mumbai Dabawala want to carry your tiffin? Sir, mainly two reasons. Why Mumbai people cannot carry tiffin themselves? One reason, in Mumbai you must be knowing, we have long railway routes. 60-70 kilometer journey. 60-70 kilometer journey. If you want to reach office 9 o'clock, you will start morning 6 o'clock. If you start morning 6 o'clock, your wife will cook 5 o'clock. Now Mumbai husband don't want to cook wife 5 o'clock because husband love that wife. He want my wife should cook 8 o'clock. Friend, you will start morning 6 o'clock. Your wife will cook 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, Mumbai Dabawala will come to you and he will pick your tiffin. And that's the reason, because of timing, you need somebody to carry your tiffin, and that is Mumbai Dabawala. Number two, even you start morning 9 o'clock from your home, you cannot carry your own tiffin because of crowded local trains of Mumbai. It is so heavily crowded, it's very difficult for Mumbai people to board in local train with empty hands. Taking tiffin out of question. You cannot carry your own tiffin. And that's the reason you need Mumbai Dabawala to carry. Friend, 200,000 tiffin they deliver. We call 400,000 transactions because you know 2 deliveries. They are delivering home cooked food in the morning and they deliver empty tiffin also in the same day evening. Can you imagine, friends? These 5,000 people are totally illiterate, maybe semi-literate. Despite the average rate is 8th grade schooling, 30% Dabawala as on today are illiterate. Despite they are illiterate, your company tiffin will be delivered to you only. In 123 years, not a single delivery is wrong. Can you imagine, friends? Not a single delivery is wrong. 100% execution. That's a commitment. That's a commitment. How, friends? Despite they are illiterate, they know their work. In my research, I had done PhD on this subject. I asked in my research to one Dabawala, man, can you tell me the address of customer? Sir, what he replied, man, I cannot tell you the address, but I can text you the address. Because Dabawala knows where this address is. He may not speak because of his illiteracy, but he knows where to deliver. It means what, friends? Before coming to work, he knows exactly what he has to work. Even illiteracy doesn't affect his work. Can you imagine, friends? And these people are traveling 60-70 kilometers every day one way. It means two way. If you see, they are traveling 120-140 kilometers. Kalyan to CST, Virar to Churchgate, and return journey 120-140 kilometers every day. And that takes 8 to 9 hours a day. Can you imagine, friends, what the policy of Dabawalas? When I'm working for 9 hours, he believes I am the owner of 9 hours. When I am working for 9 hours, I must contribute completely myself 9 hours for my customer, for my association. That's a commitment of 9 hours. Friend, believe me, in 9 hours, this man do not get 5 minutes relax also. He don't get 5 minutes relax. I'll show you video clip also. I'll show one map also. And you will come to know, from morning 8 o'clock till 5 o'clock, he's completely busy, completely busy. And in that 9 hours, he says, morning 3 hours are war time. Why? Customer should serve in time. Sir, in 123 years, it never happened. Your lunch time started and Dabawala not yet came. Impossible, impossible, impossible. He will never tell you, trains are late today. Why? Mumbai local train might be running every day late. So can Dabawala comes late? And even suppose Dabawala comes late and you are a general manager of company, because Dabawala comes late, can your company will change lunch time? No. He know your lunch time will not change. So he believe, if I am coming late, you will eat outside food, you will spend money, you will spend time, and your home cook will waste. And that's the reason he want to come in time. How he comes in time? Friend, very simple concept. Every day, than the commitment timing, he will start 15-20 minutes early. That's it. That's it. Very simple. So even trains are late, he is in time. No problem. So there is no excuse, trains are late. Number two, he know I am not having any system of train. I cannot change train system. I can change my system. Very simple. Can you imagine, friends? Time commitment. Friends, if you talk about Dabawala structure, very simple structure, friends. Every company has structure. I cannot explain much more. I'll just jump to second last called Mukadam. Friend, what is Mukadam? Mukadam means a group leader, or you can call supervisor. In Dabawala business, in Dabawala family, in Dabawala association, the Dabawala having their groups. In one group, maybe 10 Dabawala, maybe 20 Dabawalas. Among 10 Dabawalas, suppose in one group, one Dabawala will become the group leader. And what is the qualification to become group leader? They are not qualified. Age is a qualification. The man who is oldest by age in the group will become group leader in the group. That's it. Can you imagine, friends? Why oldest man? Because these Dabawalas are, you must be knowing, in Maharashtra, there are lakhs of people who are Varkari. What is Varkari? They are the devotees of God, Vithala. And when they have this chain in the neck, we call in Marathi, Malkari. Dosto, ye Malkari always respect every elder man. They obey the order of oldest man in the group. Actually, it's our Indian culture. But in Dabawala group, if the oldest man is a group leader, all other 9 Dabawala will follow if one man orders. Can you imagine? One man will order, all 9 will follow. हमारे यहाँ शायद उल्टा है, 10 लोग बंदा बोलते हैं, एक बंदा सुनता नहीं है. ऐसा कई बार होता है. Believe me, friends, that's a leadership. That's all followers. Strictly, my dear friends, because of Mukadams are excellent, all 5,000 people working excellently. Friend, this is Mumbai map. I'll show you how exactly Mumbai Dabawalas are working. See, if you see on my right hand side, on your right hand side, see, this is what the Dabawalas. This man, I will show you how this man is working throughout Mumbai throughout the day. And like this man, all other 5,000 people are working. Try to understand, friends, how the great supply chain, how this Mumbai Dabawala is working throughout the day. Please take note, every Dabawala is in collection, every Dabawala is in delivery, and every Dabawala is in sorting also. Loading, unloading, sorting. See, this man will collect 40 tiffin. What he will do? This is the Vile Parle area. This man will collect 40 tiffin from Vile Parle. See the animation. He will bring 40 tiffin and he will drop at Vile Parle station, because he will not able to deliver all 40 tiffin throughout Mumbai, because 40 customers scatter all over Mumbai. You cannot go 40 customers before lunchtime. So what he will do? He will drop this 40 tiffin at the nearest local station called Vile Parle. Now he will be given second job. 40 tiffins will be sorted out by other people, other Dabawalas. This man will not bother. He will be given second job. He will ask to carry another 40 tiffin basket from Vile Parle to the other station. He will drop another basket of 40 tiffin from Vile Parle to Dadar. He will be given third job. From Dadar to Charni Road, drop another 35 tiffin. He will drop at Charni Road. He will be given fourth job. From Charni Road to Churchgate, drop another 35 tiffin. He has done fourth job. He dropped all 35 tiffin from Charni Road to Churchgate. His local train journey is over. Now he will go by road from Churchgate station to Nariman Point. Nariman Point is the office adjoining area where thousands of offices and lakhs of people are working. Now he will ask to carry another 40 tiffin basket by road, maybe on head, maybe on bicycle, maybe on shoulder, maybe on cart. He will carry another 40 tiffin from Churchgate to Nariman Point. Now his last job. From Nariman Point, he will deliver another 35-40 tiffin to this building called Express Tower. Because in this Express Tower, 35-40 customers are waiting for tiffin, which this man will deliver before lunchtime. After lunch is over, he will start empty tiffin collection. He will start his river journey, how he went in the morning. He will collect empty tiffin from Express Tower to Nariman Point, from Nariman Point to Churchgate. Then he comes in the evening at Vile Parle station. When he comes in the evening at Vile Parle, he will receive his 40 empty tiffin, which he only deliver at your houses. Oh my God. Morning, 8 o'clock till evening 5 o'clock. He is completely busy. At the end of the day, at 5 o'clock, he is happy. Why? He says, man, my job is over. Today's job is over. I'm the happiest person for today. I'm very happy. He will not say, today a lot of pressure, lot of work. He will not say like this. Can you imagine, friends? Every day, traveling, loading, unloading, carrying. Despite that, he is very happy, because if you see the working system, excellent working record, man. Very first, error rate, 1 in 16 million transactions. Oh my God. 1 error in 16 million, can you imagine? And that 1 error also, he do not accept as a dabawala, because he believe there is no error. How this error you got? Because this error shown by qualified people, not by dabawalas. Those people who do research, they show 1 in 16 million. Dabawala believes error is horror. And don't look into mirror, it is danger. They say like this. And because they got 1 in 16 million, they got Six Sigma certification. People do not know the meaning of Six Sigma, they got Six Sigma. Great people, man. I'll tell you how they got Six Sigma. It's a very good story. Friends, in 1999, 2000, 4 people traveled from Delhi to Mumbai, and they have research on Dabawala. 4 days they travel with Dabawalas, prepare a project, went back to Delhi. After they went back to Delhi, after 3 months they phoned Dabawala. Dabawala, you got Six Sigma. Dabawala replied, what is Six Sigma? I don't know. These people told, man, it's a very big honor. That man told Dabawala, man, I don't know what is a big honor. Man, it's a very big honor. We are coming to Mumbai, and it's for you. Dabawala told, okay, send, don't worry. No, man, it's not sending. We are going to honor you in Atithi Hotel. Please come. It's a big honor. Dabawala, what knowing how much big? This man told very big honor. Because these people told very big honor, 16 Dabawala went to collect that very big honor. Six Sigma, they feel it's a very big honor. Friend, when they come on the dais, they are given some honor, and when they are given honor, there was some certification. Dabawala president, you saw on video, Mr. Raghunath Medge, he told, man, what is this? They told, this is Six Sigma. Other 15 Dabawala told, man, we have wasted 4 taxi charges for Six Sigma. It is useless. Why you came to collect this Six Sigma? Oh my God. Organizer told, man, don't say like this. Because Mumbai Dabawala, you are second in the world and first in India who got Six Sigma. That is Mumbai Dabawala Association. Can you imagine? They are the only Indians who got Six Sigma first time. Can you imagine, friends? First time they got Six Sigma. Friend, Mr. Raghunath Medge asked to give response. He told only 2 sentences. Audience, if you believe my customer is satisfied, because of that I got Six Sigma, but suppose my customer is not satisfied, Six Sigma is useless. And if you say my customer is satisfied, why you say Six Sigma? I have 10 Sigma. I will say like this. Can you imagine, friends? It means what? Six Sigma is useless. If my customer is satisfied, I got many Sigmas. The very important is what? Customer satisfaction. Can you imagine, friend? And they got Six Sigma without using technology. Friend, they don't use technology at all. Local transport is the main mode of transport. Local transport, very important transport. Number 2, friends, traveling in Mumbai, from Vile Pilot to Churchgate, Virar to Churchgate, return delivery, 2 deliveries. कितना चार्ज करते हैं यार? 450 रुपया पर मंथ. सर एक दिन का 15-16 रुपया होता है यार. From Virar to Churchgate and return delivery, 2 deliveries, 16 rupees. Boss, a small courier envelope, we want 20 rupees nowadays. Still this man is delivering in 450 rupees per month. I asked Dabawala, man, why you charge so less? My God, what he answered, Dr. Pawan, my customers are not poor. Who are my customer? For those customer, it is costly to eat outside food. They want home cooked food. Dabawala says, if I increase my charges, my customer will start outside food. He will stop to carry home cooked food. I cannot charge more. I told, man, you are great. What about your income? Dabawala says, man, I am earning 9,000 per month. जोर से बोलता है 9,000. हम लोग 9 लाख भी धीरे से बोलते हैं. 9 लाख. ये बंदा 9,000 बोलता है. मैंने बोला, man, how you are happy 9,000? What he says, man, I am getting extra income. Sir, how they get extra income? Early morning, late evening, they work before working hours, after working hours, extra. What they do? Early morning, they deliver mail bags, they deliver newspapers. Late evening, they will drive auto rickshaw taxi. बोला इससे क्या होता है? बोले साहब 6,000 एक्स्ट्रा कमाता हूँ. बोला ठीक यार, 15,000 में गुजारा होता है. वाह, क्या बोलता है बंदा. बोले पवन जी, मुंबई में जीने के लिए 15,000 बहुत है, चैन करना है तो 15 लाख भी कम है. वाह, ग्रेट यार. Friends, can you imagine what he present? He says, man, I am illiterate man. I am not qualified. And if I work other places, I may not get 5,000-6,000 also. Friend, I am educationist myself. Last 27 years, I am a teacher. And Dabawala knows in the state of Maharashtra, if you are a contractual teacher, sir, आज के तारीख में teacher का पगार 5,000 है. Contractual teacher as per government norms. Dabawala points me, man, your teacher is double qualified. He is earning 5,000. I am earning 9,000. Dabawala proudly says, I am richer than your teacher. I am happy. Can you imagine, friends? What is my presentation? I don't say you should not get good package. God bless, you should get huge package. But how you can compare with others? We believe you can compare, you can compete with yourself. You cannot compare with others. Because he's getting, I should get. Friends, I'm running management institutes. I know my students getting good package. I'm sorry to say, even they get good package, they are not working. Even at the beginning, they are not working. Why? They want big. I believe if you want big, believe me friends, if you work sincerely, if you show your best, I believe you will get more than what you expect. But not before working, after working. I believe like this. Friend, पैसा किसको नहीं चाहिए? Dabawala want 1 month Diwali bonus also. I'm sorry to say, friends, when Dabawala believe that customers should pay 1 month bonus, some customer refuse to pay bonus. I told Dabawala, man, this customer not paid bonus. Why you want to continue? Why don't you discontinue services? What Dabawala replied, man, मेरा भगवान है, he is my God. How I can stop to eat food to my God? I told Dabawala, your God has not paid bonus. What Dabawala replied, man, he has not paid 1 month bonus, but he has paid 12 months salary. For 1 month bonus, if I discontinue my tiffin, I will lose 12 months salary. What is to sacrifice 1 month bonus or 12 months salary? Dabawala says, 1 month bonus, no problem. Work is worship. Can you imagine, friends? Package, money, yes, I want, but not at the cost of my service. And that's the reason, in 123 years, no strike record in the history of Dabawala. They never went on strike. They never went on strike. Friend, you must be knowing our Mumbai history. Man, in 1982, there was a textile mill worker strike in Mumbai. 400,000 went on strike in 1982. Till today, they are on strike. Last 31 years. They never came back. Sir, not only this, among 400,000 workers, thousands of workers taking delivery from Mumbai Dabawala because they went on strike in 1982. 600 Dabawala remain unemployed because you are not going for job. To I supplied. Dabawala बोलता है साहब हमने अपनी मौत को करीब से देखा है. It is not good to go on strike. I know all may not be happy, all may not be agree. Disputes are there, differences are there everywhere in Dabawala also. But despite difference and disputes, you will see in 123 years, no police case, no court case in the history of Dabawala. Can you imagine, friends? Work is worship. Just imagine. Thanks to Dabawala's association, these companies do not have legal department also. They don't require. Why? Believe me, friends, working like family. Friend, I know I spoke a lot about this slide. What is my purpose to tell you? My purpose to tell you satisfaction. If you work, you must satisfy. Can you purchase? Can you obtain satisfaction from other? No, friends. What we believe, if I am not satisfied myself, how I can satisfy my customer? First, I must satisfy. So first, I must. Friend, जहाँ तक customer satisfaction का सवाल है, कौन बोलेगा यार? ये तो customer खुद बताएगा. And my experience, if you work consistently for customers are satisfied. I'll tell Dabawala example. How Dabawala customers are satisfied. I'll give 2-3 examples. Very good. I'll go fast, but because of time constraint. I asked in my research some customers, of Dabawala customers. I asked one customer, Dabawala customer, how you feel about Dabawalas? That customer told, man, they are excellent people. Mera, what excellent, man? Tiffin is yours. Food is yours. Dabawala simply deliver. Customer told, man, he don't simply deliver food. Then customer told me, sir, when I leave morning 6 o'clock from my home, sometime customer forget spectacle pen at home. Then 9 o'clock, customer wife will put spectacle pen in tiffin and Dabawala will deliver in your office your spectacle pen along with tiffin food also. We will call Dabawala gives value added services free of charge. Can you imagine? Number 2, I asked another customer, man, what is your experience? Customer told me, sir, Dabawala very honest. Well, honest? How they can be dishonest? They cannot eat your food. Customer told me, अरे पवन जी खाने का सवाल नहीं पता है क्या होता है customer told me his experience. Customer told Pawan ji, when I get salary in Mumbai, I am afraid of to carry salary in pocket. Why? It can be stolen in crowded local train. Because 99% customers are traveling local train. So what that customer do? When he gets salary, after eating food, he put salary in empty tiffin. And this empty tiffin with salary delivered by Dabawala safely in the hands of my wife in the evening. Oh my God. We are afraid of to send DD through courier. This customer sent cash through tiffin, despite the fact tiffin may be locked, unlocked. Because in 123 years, even tiffin is unlocked. Dabawala never open. Why? He don't have time to open your tiffin. They are so busy. They will not open your tiffin. Can you imagine, friend? They are sending cash in tiffin. Some customers send silver, gold. Some customers send love letter. What not they send? They send. I'll send one more example of love letter. What is my intention? What is my purpose? I'll show you next example where you will see, you will experience if you give customer services consistently, I believe some or the other day, customer will believe you are God for him. It's my experience friend, as a teacher. Even you are as a financial person working. Believe me friend, some customer believe you are God for him. Same thing happened in Dabawala case. I asked one customer. Customer told me, अरे पवन जी मैं Dabawala को भगवान मानता हूँ. हिंदी में बोलता हूँ मजा आएगा थोड़ा सा. मैंने पूछा यार भगवान क्यों मानते हो? बोले पवन जी 2 महीने पहले कस्टमर बोला मुझे मेरा और बीवी का झगड़ा हो गया. Customer fight with his wife. An Indian husband beaten his wife. दूसरी क्वालिटी आप जानते हो हमारे इंडियन हस्बैंड की क्वालिटी टूटेगा लेकिन झुकेगा नहीं. सेम थिंग हैपन. इंडियन हस्बैंड beaten his wife. Despite he has beaten his wife, next day morning, husband took his bag, told his wife, Rishta khatam. I will not come back home. Angry young man went to office. 9 o'clock, Dabawala comes home. Indian wives, dile ke manta nahi. Despite she has beaten, she want to deliver tiffin for husband. Maybe the last tiffin, but she want to deliver. Wife delivered tiffin to Dabawala. Dabawala delivered tiffin in office. In lunchtime, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man become the hungry young man. So he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on top of the tiffin, written message from wife. Oh my beloved husband, I love you Lord. Forget what happened yesterday. Eat my food. It is delicious for you. Oh my God. Message given by wife to husband, but delivered by Dabawalas. After eating food, husband ko sharam to aati hai yaar. Husband brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin and written love letter to wife. Oh, I also love you Lord. We'll meet in the evening and we'll forget what happened. Can you imagine friends? दो आत्मा का मिलन करने वाला Dabawala. Just imagine friends. That is my message. If you give consistently services, believe me friend, customer may get sometime, he feel you are God for him. But of course it requires your attitude, your approach. And of course friend, discipline. दोस्तों सादे discipline है यार. पहला discipline, no alcohol drinking, smoking during business hours. Let me tell you friends, Malkari people, the man who is Malkari, he never drink, he never smoke, he never eat non-veg because of Malkari. 95% Dabawala are Malkari, 5% Dabawala may not be Malkari. But despite they drink, they smoke, not during business hours. Why? When they come in the morning, when they come in the evening, customer is not at home. Who are there? Mother, sister, wife. They believe because at home, female members are there, no drinking, no smoking. Pakda gaya, 500 rupees fine dabe wale ko. Can you imagine, friends? Cap is compulsory, I-card is compulsory. Last, no leave without prior notice. If any dabawala remain absent without information, 1,000 rupees fine for one day. 1,000 rupees fine. Can you imagine? Great man. Without information, you cannot remain absent. I know many qualified people comes to dabawalas. I remember 2 years back, one foreign delegates came and they asked Dabawala, if you suddenly got sick, how will you inform? How you will inform? Dabawala ने पूछा ऐसा सब पूछ रहा है क्या जवाब दिया यार Dabawala बोलता है if I am suddenly sick, I will inform suddenly. That's it. No problem. Oh my God. दोस्तों सर मुझे याद है मेरे रिसर्च में if any Dabawala got sick midnight 2 o'clock Dabawala wife will inform Mukadam, sir my husband is sick, he will not come tomorrow. Midnight 2 o'clock she informs. Midnight 2 o'clock. Can you imagine this? मैंने पूछा मैम why you went midnight 2 o'clock? बंदी बोलती है सर इनका कानून है. नंबर 2 सर 10 मिनट लगा यार पड़ोस में तो रहता है मेरा मुकादम. नंबर 3 मेरा पति क्या रोज बीमार गिरता है क्या 2-4 साल में एक बार. नो प्रॉब्लम आई कैन गो midnight 2 o'clock. Get passion यार. Not only husband, not only that Dabawala, his wife also caring for his job because they knows because of customers income we are living happily in our family. Customer भगवान है, work is worship है. दोस्तों prove कर दिया. Can you imagine, friends? I'll show video clip. I'll just ask organizers to just make a sound. I'll show how they are carrying 65 kg weight on their head. Just see.
The Mumbai Dabawalas are a close-knit group of 5,000 people of stamina, values and ethics. They are engaged in the business of collecting tiffin boxes filled with homemade food from different houses and distributing them at the workplaces of the earning members of these families.
This man is
In the
75-year-old.
and returning empty boxes to the respective houses in the afternoon. They move 200,000 such lunches to 200,000 people working in different organizations.
Can you imagine, friend, what I was showing? A man 75 years of age still working because they believe we are the shoulders of Shivaji Maharaj. We are very strong. Friend, because they are mentally fit, they are physically fit. Friends, very important is what? Friend, PPT. Friend, what is important is nothing but coding system. Friends, they do coding on top of the tiffin like this. They do coding on top like this. Because we place tiffin like this, so coding should be visible. What is coding? I'll go fast. Try to understand. Very simple technique. Great technique, man. VLP. VLP stand for Ville Parle, the residential station of customer. E stand for Dabawala. It means Mr. E will go to Ville Parle. It means your tiffin will collect from Ville Parle and this tiffin will go to number 3 called Nariman Point. Mr. E will go to Ville Parle, he will collect tiffin and this tiffin will travel from Ville Parle to Nariman Point. Believe me friends, while traveling from Ville Parle to Nariman Point, this tiffin will mix at least 6 times by different group of people, but it will reach Nariman Point. When this will reach Nariman Point, who will collect this tiffin? Mr. 9 Dabawala will collect tiffin. This tiffin will deliver EX for Express Tower. 12 stand for 12 floor. This tiffin will reach at your floor because this customer office is on 12th floor. They are not coming to your office table because of security. You don't allow. That's why he's not coming to office table. He will deliver at your floor. There are some company who allow only at the gate. They will deliver at the gate because you are not allowing. Can you imagine, friend? Without name, address, they deliver tiffin right place. Oh my God. I know you must be knowing Mr. D'Souza. Yes, for your information, Mr. D'Souza is a customer. लिखा किसने? ये नाम किसने लिखा? Mr. D'Souza himself. Because Mr. D'Souza customer could not recognize his own tiffin. He writes name. Great man. Dabawala know yourself, but you don't know yourself. Great man. Now see how they do coding. Simple. Another video clip.
Every day with practically no mix-ups at all.
Just match a stick, pick up the brush.
Lies in a coding
Just
system
match a stick.
that is simple and very effective. This lunchbox, which contains the meals Swati has cooked for her husband, has been coded CLP 23 MT10 on the top, and Q3 is scribbled below.
Then what is important? You know how they are doing coding. See what this man is doing. Friend, when you wash tiffin at home, sometime coding is not visible. If any Dabawala comes to know coding is not visible, he will remove color from pocket and with finger he will overwrite. He will not say it is not my job. He will do the job because karna hai to karna hai. That's it. Great man. No delegation, nothing. Banda bolta hai, mujhe pata chala, mujhe karna hai. That's it. See friend, luggage compartment, how they do loading, unloading.
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days on time, thanks to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. The shelf life of these lunches are just 4 to 5 hours. Therefore, watch the spontaneous sorting. Everyone is picking up his tiffins as per his delivery areas. Tiffins for areas with more density are transported on carts collectively. Some tiffins are on bicycles and some are personally taken by hand. From here, the tiffins move. One tiffin box shifts hands in transit at least 6 times before it reaches its consumer in his office. The same is the case in its return journey as an empty tiffin.
Can you imagine, friends, how they are working? Because they work excellently, many documents made by Dabawala, UTV, MT, I would say A to Z TV had been documented by Dabawalas. Because they are working excellently. Many awards they got. Even Dabawala got ISO certificate. Sir, believe me, they got ISO certificate without application. Can you imagine? Because they don't know how to purchase, means how to obtain. Delhi people, they told, Dabawala, you are ISO, so take the certificate. Kahan rakha hai, malum bhi nahi. Kabhi likhte bhi nahi, we are ISO. Why? My customer satisfaction is my ISO. That's it. Believe me, friends. Recognition. Friend, you will get recognition. Just wait and watch, man. See, after 100 years, Dabawala got recognition. After 100 years. What is this? These are the 50 Indians, entrepreneurs, who influenced Mumbai city. Tata, Birla, Ambani's, Balasaheb Thackeray, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, and Mumbai Dabawala also. Yes. In addition to other 49 big people, small people, great work, Dabawala also is there. दोस्तों 100 साल काम करने के बाद, friends, many achievements are there. Maybe Six Sigma, Guinness Book, number of achievements. I cannot tell you one by one. Number of friends. It's my honor. I had a PhD on Dabbawalas. My subject was a study of logistics supply chain of Dabawala in Mumbai. It's my honor, friend. And you must be knowing, Prince Charles came to Mumbai in 2003 to meet Dabawala. But I'm proud to tell you, friends, before Prince Charles supposed to come, 6 months before, British consulate head in India, Mr. Jitendra Jain, he phoned Dabawala 6 months before our Prince visit. Dabawala, Prince Charles want to visit you. As usual, Dabawala told, I don't know who is Prince Charles. This consulate told, man, he's the King of London. Dabawala replied, oh, King of London. Okay, we will allow Prince Charles to visit, no problem. 2 conditions by Dabbawalas. First condition, we can give only 20 minutes to Prince Charles from 11:20 to 11:40, that's it. Number 2, we cannot go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Where? Churchgate footpath. दोस्तों, काउंसलर बोलते हैं, डबावाला ऐसी बात करते हो आप? डबावाला प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर मेदके साहब बोलते हैं, साहब हम लंदन के राजा की इज्जत करते हैं, लेकिन 2 लाख कस्टमर हमारे महाराजा हैं, उनको डिस्टर्ब करके हम किसी राजा को नहीं मिलेंगे. That's the reason. These are the 2 conditions. Proved customer is a god, not king is a god. Can you imagine, friends? Proved customer is a god. And this great man told, oh, Dabawala, I'll come, no problem. Any condition we will come. Because Prince Charles came, Dabawala came into limelight all over the world. Mr. Prince Charles told, man, nobody can work like you all over the world. It's amazing. After Prince Charles, series of visits came. Now Richard Branson came to Mumbai to visit Dabawala. Mr. Branson want to visit Dabawala, and Mr. Branson want photo with Dabawala. Because he want photo, he brought his own tiffin from London with Virgin logo. I remember, friend, this is me. I had given my cap to Mr. Branson. Mr. Media people told Mr. Branson, why you want photo of Dabawala? Mr. Branson told, I will place this photo in my office and I will tell my employees, work like Mumbai Dabawalas. That's why I want this photo. Oh my God. What is my presentation, friend? My presentation is we Indians are great, provided if you show your greatness. People salute you because we are great Indian managements. From many places, of course. I'll give pause wherever I want to give message. Because last couple of minutes I remain. Friends, this is the book inaugurated by those days Chief Minister, Mr. Vilasrao Deshmukh. He is no more now. The book written in Marathi, Mumbaiचा Annadata. त्या पुस्तकाचं उद्घाटन, inauguration was with the hands of Chief Minister. Mr. Chief Minister Vilasrao told in his speech, Mr. Agrawal, in every program as a Chief Minister, I reach 1 hour late. Chief Minister told, today when I came to know it's a Dabawala program, CM told, I came 5 minutes before the program. Because CM was afraid of, he told, I was afraid of, if I will be 2 minutes late, Dabawala will not wait for me. So I must come in time. What is my message? If you work consistently on time, let rest of the world to bother your timing. You should not bother because you are always in time. Can you imagine, friends? That's a time consistent. That's a time commitment. CM is afraid of. Friends, many things. Even I written one book. Unfortunately, I not brought book today because I was not knowing anything. Friends, we deliver many places. And you must be knowing, even Prince Charles, in his marriage, invited Dabawalas. Friend, for Prince Charles' marriage, 3 Indians invited among 3 Indians to wear Dabawalas to attend Prince Charles' marriage. No Prime Minister, no Chief Minister. Only 3rd person was Rajasthan ki Maharani Padmini Devi. She was invited. I'm sorry and I feel proud. When Dabawala came to know, they started to purchase gift. Sari, Kolhapuri chappal, then turban, Mangal Sutra. Somebody sponsored, we got free gift. Then Gati Courier sent that gift to London, and after sending, we got invitation for marriage. In newspaper, Dabawala got the news, this is the 2nd marriage of Prince Charles. Thoda sa dukhi ho gaye wo. Because as per Indian culture, it is not good. Dabawala phone karte hain mujhe, Pawan ji, एक बढ़िया ग्रीटिंग बनाओ. मैंने बना दिया इंडियन ट्राई कलर. नहीं उसमें लिखते हैं ना वो हैप्पी लॉन्ग लाइफ ऐसा कुछ लिखते हैं. मैंने लिखा यार. नहीं बोले साहब ज़्यादा दुआ करना. मैंने किया यार. अरे नहीं बोले दूसरी शादी है, तीसरी शादी नहीं होनी चाहिए, इतनी दुआ करेंगे. Friend, I touch with the feeling because they believe Prince Charles is also God for them. Because of Prince Charles, they came into limelight. Friends, see Prince Charles, 2005, when whole Mumbai was under water. Prince Charles writing later because he came to know Dabawala stuck in water for 3 days. What is my message, friends? दोस्तों, आप निरंतर काम करते हो. Consistently you are working. Believe me, some people, big people will take note of you. You should not bother about it. It takes time. Friend, social commitment, Mumbai Marathon, maybe HIV/AIDS. We always work in the interest of community because we believe from customer, when we get income, we must spend something for our customer man. Because of customer's income, we are living happily. Friends, it's my privilege, honor that I am running Mumbai Dabawala Education Center. Friends, in my education center, last 7 years, it is in Vikhroli, Mumbai only. Mr. Rajesh, he is from Kaiser, he also present. He came number of times to my institute. Sir, believe me, last 8 years I am providing Dabawala children absolutely free education in my institute, my school college. In 2010, I have started Dabawala, you also take education. I told basic computer, basic English, you must learn. Dabawala reluctant, they were not ready to take education. Bolta, hey, Pawan sir, kya zarurat nahi. Nahi. 6 महीना उनको पढ़ाने में लगा. After 6 months, I got idea. I made in my college wooden local train computer lab. In every wooden local train dabba, I put PC. I invited them. Dabawala told, oh, it's a local train. Now we will come. Because they feel we are learning in local train. Now they are coming Sunday to Sunday to learn computer. It's my privilege and proud. They are coming to teach English. I made wooden local train classroom. Inside they sit and they learn basic English. Because when tomorrow I know in Mumbai, lots of people will come. Foreign people also will come. They will come definitely. And I believe Dabawala should learn at least good morning, good evening, customer, how are you? Tomorrow I will not come, I may come. Whatever the things, at least these things they should speak. Friends, yes, they are trying. I am trying for their children also, because I believe if you work hard, people will learn from you. Thank you so much. My 45 minutes are over. Thank you, friend. Thank you for listening me so patiently. Thank you, Motilal Oswal, for the great audience in the great dais. You have given me opportunity to talk on Mumbai Dabawala supply chain system. Thank you so much, friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing with us the story of the Dabawalas. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our Mumbai Dabawalas. Thank you so much, Dr. Agarwal. Thank you very much.